Having a resident team here on site at Skygate enables us to work together in a collaborative way to deliver the one goal for our customer, and making sure we do that in the best quality and cost, and we're all working to a common goal. Minimising the downtime is super important to us. By having that skilled team on site enables us to get things fixed, ready and back on track as soon as possible. Another benefit we've got, we're able to predict things when they go wrong. So we do predictive maintenance and proactive maintenance, and that enables the uptime of the automation on site. So working closely with KNAPP and the software systems we have on site, we're able to maximise the output and the uptime of the automation we have here at Skygate. I'm really proud of the partnership we've created here with KNAPP. What we do together, we have a common goal on what we want to achieve, whether that's for the customer, quality or cost, and we work together to get the maximum output from the site.